All right, my friends, today we're talking about the blockchain wallet. If you've been watching all of my chronicles on what is Bitcoin and what is blockchain and all the things going down, I'm getting you some super deep information, inside scoop from individuals that are making millions of dollars a month. And today, setting up your wallet is something you're going to need to have if you're going to hold your Bitcoin or Litecoin or other coins. All right, my friends, today we're breaking down what a blockchain wallet is. And to help you understand this, right now, if you're playing in altcoins, alternative coins, if you're buying different cryptocurrencies, there's several different kinds of them. In fact, there's almost 2,000 different coins that are available in the marketplace. And if you're purchasing, buying, and holding or transacting with them, you got to keep them in a wallet. So right now, the blockchain wallet is right now the leading and most popular wallet that you can use digitally for managing all your different coins. It's also how you do your exchanges. My personal experience with the wallet came when I actually sat down with a buddy of mine that who's worth, let's just say, a lot of money. And he was sitting down and he knew that I was kind of skeptical about this whole thing about blockchain. And I was sitting in his office. It was a 90-minute meeting that turned into a 6-hour meeting. And the reason why is because we just got going deeper and deeper and deeper and deeper and deeper down the rabbit hole. At what point he said, let me show you how to create trust. It's by cutting out middlemen and leveraging technology that allows us to communicate with each other free of all the third parties that the world is set up with. And right then and there, he took my phone and his phone. I just set up my wallet real quick, and then he took about 30 seconds, and before I knew it, he had transferred $200 of Bitcoin right into my wallet. Now, he didn't ask for it back. It's just still actually sitting right there, but he did it to prove a point, which is we didn't go down to the bank, we didn't set up bank accounts, we didn't have to use any third-party medium. There was trust in the blockchain where we could communicate with each other. Now, right now, there's not a lot of altcoin currencies that you can use to pay for things around the world. There's some things, and I'm sure that's going to change with time. A lot of people want to have a wallet simply for managing their investments because the coin is designed to be a medium of exchange and trade outside of the US dollar or any other dollar platforms. But right now, a lot of people are using it as a form of investment, speculative investment, because right now there's a lot of volatility and, through access through my fund, whether the market's going up or down, it doesn't really matter. I will be honest and tell all of you that I started off on my journey highly skeptical, but I have done my research and now I've actually purchased all sorts of different type of coins. And right now I have them trading for me. They're going up and down in the market's moving, and it's functioning inside of my friend's proprietary artificial intelligence platform. It's a software that only 5 people are using. And I'm trying to beg him to let me bring it out to the people because I won't tell you what kind of ROI it's doing right now because it's a very, very, very large number, and it obviously also represents a high degree of risk. And if you get into an investment, you got to understand that this is for Vegas money, right? This is a different type of investing as the world is changing, but I'm involved in that world now and I'm playing with it. And you need a blockchain wallet to be able to do that. Hey, thanks for joining today on our Bitcoin journey and talking about setting up wallets. Listen, hike on over to my website, click the link up here so that you and I can get connected. Download my book, and then when you go ahead and set your email information in there, I'll get you more information and notify you about some of the opportunities that are coming up with blockchain. And I might be able to get you some insider scoop and first mover advantage on.